Right, so we're up at Callendar Square on the 16th of September 2025. Around on the High Street side. This whole front bit's still the same as what it was. Typically, they've just stopped working for the day. They've just finished working for the day, so there's not going to be any action today in terms of any machines moving or working or anything. That's how this side's looking. As you can see, there's the original orange machine that is here the first. A good load of the first demolition videos from Callendar Square. That's now made its return to the site. There was a community centre or like leisure centre thing in Bowness that was getting demolished that machine was at, and one of the other machines that had done this site was also there. And there it is there. That orange one there, that one used to be on this site. You'll probably see it if you go back and watch some of the older videos. But yeah, it's good to see that machine back. The Sadie one's also still there. I think there's Sadie one and the 350, the Komatsu one. They'll probably just be there for like the rest of the thing, or the rest of the demo. As you'll see as well, there's a lot more of that back building that's gone. In fact, I think that whole site's gone possibly. You'll probably get a better look at it round this side. I don't know what attachment the machine's got on. Or is it sorting gravel, that's what it is. And you can see right the way through there that they've fairly got stuck into that. You see all the steel beams and stuff as well. Jeez, oh. So, totally missed a lot when I was away from the site for a good wee while. There's a great another view here. There. still looks like the big fella's got his kind of cab tilting up. I would have thought that they would have put it down. I would have thought that they would have put it right the way down. You see there that it's the arms kind of, or like the cab's tilting up a bit. But we'll head along round to this other side because you might get a really kind of good view right the way through at this point. I feel like doing this bit here. Yeah, oh my god. Yeah, that is significantly different to when I last came round here, holy moly. See all the kind of reinforced concrete there and stuff. So I clearly missed all that coming down, which is a bit of a shame because that would have been really good to kind of get. Mind you though, like they've still got basically this whole front of the building is kind of this one right here. Still got all this to come down as well. All this is all still to come down as well. But yeah, next time that I'm up, I'll definitely see if I can try and get some demo because I know that's obviously what this series has been about. It's also the demolition, it's not just like the clear up and everything. You can kind of see as well that they've done a bit more work down there. Might be able to get a better view around this other side, depending on if there's no machines in front of directly in front of the gate anyway. But you see it no bad there, right the way through. They've kind of cleared a lot of that off. And I'll see if I can get a thing through the main gate of the site. Yeah, you're not going to see because of the CNC machine. Yeah, never mind. Nah, crusher as well. You can see like right the way through, just behind it there. All that kind of reinforced concrete and stuff. But yeah though, that bit of the back will be interesting and to see how they take on that bit of the right. But yeah, that'll be it for this one guys. See you in the next one.